Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to our daily crypto news. Guys, today something happening on the crypto space. Here you can see today cryptocurrency total market cap is 2.25 trillion and it is increased by 7.98% over the last day, and total volume 69.05 billion, which has increased 5.10%, and Bitcoin dominance 56.93%, fair and greed 45%. So guys, today currently Bitcoin is standing on 64,882 per BTC token, and 24 hours it has increased 3.73%. Ethereum is doing quite so good, 2,536 per Ethereum token, and total market cap is 305.19 billion Markin dollar. 24 hours Ethereum has changed plus 3.17%, and BNB also 24 hours has changed 1.42%, and currently standing on 580.57 dollar per BNB token. Solana doing extremely well. Today Solana price is 153.03 dollar per Solana, and total market cap 71.84 billion, and 24 hours it has changed 4.37%. XRP also doing so good. Today XRP rate per token 0.5383 dollar, and 24 hours it has changed 1.25%. Dogecoin, one of the best meme coin. Dogecoin total market cap today has surpassed 16.52 billion and currently standing on 0.1128 per Dogecoin, and 24 hours it has changed 1.99, almost 2%. For 24 hours it has changed plus 2%. TRX 24 hours it is decreased by 1.84%, and total TRX market cap is 13.82 billion ton. Also trying to pump 5.28 per ton token, and total market cap is 13.42. Here you can see AVAX also trying to pump. SHIB also changed 2.93 for 24 hours, and a total market cap 10.65 billion. Link also trying to pump, and Uniswap also increased by 1.49%, total market valuation 4.81 billion. And Pepe based meme coin, and here you can see 24 hours it has pumped by 8.68%, and total market cap 4.41 billion for total Pepe valuation. Caspa also trying to pump, it has changed 4.11%. WIF also changed by 24 hours by 5.53%, and total market cap 2.84 billion. ING today per ING token price is 21.66, and 24 hours it has changed 7.13%. Phantom also doing extremely well. 24 hours it has changed 5.27%. Total market valuation 2.03 billion. And Bonk also always good. Total market valuation 1.60 billion, and today 24 hours has changed plus 5.80% for Bonk. And Floki also it has changed by 8.64%, and total market valuation for Floki 1.42 billion. Popcat, the best meme coin, total market valuation for Popcat 1.33 billion, and 24 hours it has decreased by 6.81%. It's okay, already Pop has done extremely well. Pyth also increased by 6.7%. Total market valuation 1.23 billion, and currently standing on 0.3388. Rate has surpassed 1.11 billion market cap, and currently standing on 1119 per rate, and 24 hours it has changed 14.52%. It's extremely well. Matic also trying to pump. Notcoin also consolidating, but 24 hours it has changed 4.62%. Current market valuation from Notcoin 824.22 billion. Boomi also doing good, extremely good. 24 hours it has changed by 21.82%. Dogs trying to pump. Sundog decreased by 2.44%. BB bounce beat also trying to pump hardly. It has changed 10.54% for 24 hours. Nairo Ethereum also trying to pump. Hippo decreased by 3.42%. Fala trying to pump. Omni trying to pump. PayPay. It has changed 14.57% for 24 hours. It has changed and currently standing on 67.41 market cap valuation for PayPay. Puffy, one of the new meme coin here already surpassed 20.09 million marking dollar USDT. I mean USDT market cap, and here you can see current 24 hours it has changed 27.91%. Bendog trying to pump. Waffles decreased by 2.96%. Vega 3.07 decreased. USBT, I don't know what's happening on this coin, on this blockchain. Universal blockchain technology already decreased by 48.32%. It's very like bullshit. I don't know what's happening on this coin. And AGP trying to pump, or trying to pump. Puggy also same, always down. So guys, these all are the coins here. Already we watch this. What's happening? Let's watch on a BTC 1 hour chart on coin market cap. Here you can see, here start from this long candle already from here you can see low 62,551 and all the way high to 64,341. Then it's continuously up and it's little consolidated and then surpass 64,955 and currently standing on 64,826. So BTC is trying to pump and maintain his run to touch its all-time high. We expect BTC will break its all-time high record. So today BTC 7 days has changed 2.98%, 24 hours changed 3.56%, and 90 days changed by plus 1.56%, and yearly 46.77%. Today low for BTC 62,035 and maximum high for BTC for today 24 hours 65,059. Total market cap for BTC 1.28 trillion dollar. And here you can see all the things, everything here. Vale Holdings 1.26% holding at. So guys, this all for today. Thanks for watching this video. So please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, because always we will try to update you all about crypto prices and what's happening on the crypto space. So keep on touch with us. Thank you.